So, a pleasant day to everyone, and this is Calculus 1, the mathematics for civil engineers. And welcome everyone to my discussion. And let's start. So, we're going to start the discussion with lesson 1, functions. It will just going to be a short discussion and recollection of past lessons from your high school. First, let us define some terms. A relation is a set of ordered pair, while a function is a set of ordered pairs such that no two ordered pairs in the set have the same first element. An ordered pair meaning it is containing the values x and y, and we can see this through an example. An example of relation shows that the values 1, 2, 3 are the x values, while the values 4, 5, 6 are y values, wherein it is to be noted that the values 1, 2, 3 can correspond to at least more than one element of the y values. While in function, we can see a strict one-to-one rule wherein one element of the x values correspond to only one element of the y values. And function, by definition, is indeed a set of ordered pairs such that no two ordered pairs in the set have the same first element. And it seems that a function is a special type of relation. And now we are going to study the components of a function. And first is the domain. It is a set of all the first elements of the ordered pairs. In the given examples, it was the values on the left side, and it is the x values or the independent variable. And in example, the values 0, 2, and 4 are considered the domain, while the range is the set of all the second elements of the ordered pairs. It is also labeled as y values or the dependent variable. For example, is the 1, 3, and 5 values on the ordered pair given. It is to be noted that all functions are relations, but not all relations are functions. All functions, by definition, are set of ordered pairs, which corresponds to the definition of relations. But not all relations are functions because, as stated, functions must have a one-to-one rule, and there can also be relations wherein this rule is not followed, wherein the element of the x values can correspond to more than one element of the y values. And now we are going to study interval notations. It is how ordered pair is written. First, we are going to study the bracket symbol. It shows a closed interval for the ordered pair and a parenthesis indicating an open interval for the ordered pair. And the hollow A shows open interval, and the darkened A shows a closed interval because it has the bracket, while the open interval has a parenthesis. So if a function is a special type of relation, how do we determine it? Well, we use the vertical line test. A relation is a function if there are no vertical lines that intersect the graph at more than one point. And to illustrate this, we are going to see an example. Uh, in the first example, the vertical line only intersected to one point, thus it is a function. While the second graph intersected the vertical line more than once, showing that the given graph is not a function. While the third showed a one point intersection, indicating that the graph is indeed still a function. This is a close-up look for each function or relation. So that ends my presentation, and once again, I am Wesley Batara, and I hope you enjoyed the introduction to Calculus 1, a short recollection and discussion for functions. And as usual, I hope you enjoy learning, and I am Wesley Batara. Bye.